Welcome to our series on making Wing Chun realistic. This is episode 3. What we're going to look at this time is dealing with common grabs. So the first one we're going to look at is a lapel grab. So this is Shane using the right hand, and he's grabbing my lapel. And all we're going to simply do is use a simple palm strike. So we'll do that again. Okay, so the next one we'll look at is obviously the left hand grabbing the lapel. A simple palm strike. Another common grab you might get is an arm grab. A simple palm strike will deal with that. And of course we've got the other side. Another one to look at is a double lapel grab. And then last but not least we've got a double arm grab.
I'm done.
Cool. Keep it real.